What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeekRLD, back again with another video. And again, we're gonna take a look at the Monster Smart Lighting. Again, it's Black Friday. Then you got Cyber Monday coming up. But look, we're gonna take a look at the Monster LED light strip again. It's my favorite light strip. So here's the box. Look at this. Look at that. This time we're coming in at 100 feet. 100 feet, you guys. We're not playing with them. We're coming in at 100 feet. I plan on putting this on the ceiling. I just definitely wanted to make a video about it because if you plan on getting one, you can get this 100 feet RGB light strip for like $20 right now for Black Friday. $20. Just run to your Walmart, pick up a 100-foot RGB light strip that works with Alexa, it works with Google, it works with everything. So of course, you know, without further ado, we got to do the typical table slam, and then we'll do an unboxing just in case you haven't seen my other videos. But yeah, we're gonna take a look at that right now. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go. Let's see here. Monster Smart Lighting, 100 feet. App control, voice control, Rosa Chroma RGB PC control. Moving colors with music. Like, look at that, you guys. They gonna learn to, for $20, 100 feet. Oh, they finna put some, man. When my girl walk into that master bedroom, woo-wee. Yeah, it's finna go down. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Let's see here. So on the back, it says Smart RGB plus IC Flow light strip, and of course right here, it has all the kind of all the features I mentioned on the front of the box. Protective coating, easy do-it-yourself installation, which means it's gonna be using like a little sticky adhesive. And there's a Monster app you can install on the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android. It works with Google, works with Alexa, it works with Siri. Like 100 feet with this kind of technology for just $20, and I got two of them. I got another one right there just in case 100 feet ain't long enough, you know. So I got 200 feet here. 200 feet. They finna put some respect on my name. So the typical table slam. There we go. So let's get this unboxed. It looks like we got some tape right there, and we got some tape over there. So let me pause the video. We'll grab. No, actually, I'm not even gonna pause it. Let's just go over here to the kitchen. Let me grab a sharp knife, very sharp knife. Let's go with this one here. Yeah, this will get the job done. So let's go back over here. Let's get this unboxed. So we got some tape right here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I need to get another. Like I said, trying to do this with one hand. My video closed. But anyways, let's get this other side. All right, that should be all we need. Let's come to the bottom here. Is there some tape? Oh, more tape. Let's get this cut. Oh my God, I'm having a hard time. I need to get a tripod and stuff so I can do all this with two hands. But okay, so let's get this unboxed. Oh, I done tore the box. It is what it is. So I guess there's a little slap right here. Yeah, these two pieces. There we go. Struggling. I'm getting cooked right now, all right? Getting cooked. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay. Woo. So you got your power adapter. I see they made the power adapter a little smaller, you know, a little bit more compact. Caution. For indoor use only. This is a very dangerous product. Caution. So let's put the power strip to the side, or the power adapter, the AC adapter. Okay, so we don't need the box anymore. Let's put that over there. And right here, you got the actual RGB strips in aluminum foil. Okay, a little of this, a little of that. And of course right here, okay, this is where I need to open it up at. So let me put the phone down. Let me get this opened and we'll go from there. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I got the sleeve open, and you can see this is 100 feet, you guys. Let's get this out the sleeve. Woo-wee. Look at that. So right here, you got some 3M clips. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna focus. There we go. We got some 3M clips. Keep it looking nice and neat. You got some screws. A little of this, a little of that. Let's put that to the side. You got some instruction booklets. You got some pamphlets. Monster Smart Lighting. Look at that, y'all. They coming correct. They are coming all the way correct. Look at this. You got a little booklet that shows you, you know, how to operate it, things like that. How to pair it to your Wi-Fi network, how to do all of that. You know, a little this, a little that. But I'm TechGeekRLD, so I won't be needing this. This is like my third pair of Monster Smart Lighting, so won't be needing that. This is the actual strip itself. Look at that. It's bundled like in 3. That's how long it is. 100 feet, you got. Look. Wow. 100 feet of cable. This should be enough to cover my whole master bedroom on the ceiling. It should be enough. If not, I got a second box right here. So we're coming in at 200 feet. They finna put some. When my girlfriend come home, she ain't gonna play downstairs no more. She gonna play the game in the master bedroom. Yeah, we got 200 feet. They finna come all the way correct. This is Black Friday. I ain't playing with them. But anyways, so let's go take a look at where this is going to be applied, and we'll see if it measures out to 200 feet, 150 feet. You know, we'll see how that turns out. So let's go upstairs. Of course, that's my kids' room right there. A little of this, a little of that. Kids' bathroom. So this is where it's going to go at. This is where I'm going to apply it. So this is the master bedroom, and as you can see, I want to put the strips on the ceiling right there. So I want to go from that corner to that corner to that corner. And then right here, I'll probably go from like right there, the little section right there, and just apply it straight to that wall. But we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, this is the room that those cables are going on. That's the current project for today. And I want to have it where the power cable is going to be ran right there in the middle of the TV, dead center in the middle, and run down that power strip. Now, not power strip, but that cable strip. And I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that cable strip because it looks very tacky. So I'm gonna get some nails, get some screws. I'm gonna get that tidied up. But I want the strip to run down the middle of the back of the TV right there to there. But it's going to be applied along the ceiling. So of course I need to find a chair because I don't have a ladder. So we'll figure all that out as we go. But yeah, that's the project for today, you guys. It's your boy TechGeekRLD. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yes, let's get to it. Let's go. All right. Yes. All right, you guys. So yeah, I'm halfway done. As you can see, I got the strip right there, but that's the power. That's where the source of power is going to be at. And of course, I need to get like a little cable hider, kind of like I got right there. I need to fix that one. I keep saying it over and over. I need to fix that one. And I'm going to fix that one in this video. But I'll have to get another one just to make it look nice and neat. And as you can see, I'm halfway done. You can see the strip applied right there in the middle of the TV, and it's going along the ceiling. And it's going over there, all the way over there. And right now I'm at the bathroom door, as you can see. So it's a work in progress. As far as length, so this came in at 100 feet, you guys. And as you can see right here, I still got 3 rolls I can use. I still got 3 rolls. Like, I'm probably not even gonna need all of that. So I'll probably use one of these rolls, because you can just reconnect them to another set. So like this one might end up being extra, but we'll see how that turns out. I still got this one roll along may be enough to finish from right there. And I still got some length. Yeah, it's going to that one. I may be able to finish with just this one roll right here. So I still have to go from there and then go like right there and then come over here, go along that wall, and then back to the TV. So we'll see what happens. You know, talk amongst yourselves. It's your boy TechGeekRLD. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, so now we're near completion. As you can see, right there, it stopped right there. It's like, I just need like what, a couple more inches, like 3 or 4 inches. It would have connected all the way, but I think I'm gonna call it a day right there. I don't want to have to connect a whole nother strip of cable or a whole nother roll of cable to this one here, just knowing that I just need from there to there. So that's just gonna have to work. That's just gonna have to work. So if this cable strip is 100 feet for this size of a room, I want to say I used maybe 50 feet. I want to say 50 feet of cable, but that's the only gap, which is right there. And hopefully it won't look too bad when the lights are in motion and things like that, because it is going to look gapped out a little bit. But we'll just call it a day. We're going to call it right there. Let me get it plugged up. I got the cable going behind the TV right here. So let me get that plugged up. Let's get it synced to Alexa and to Google and all that good stuff and to the Monster app, and we'll go from there. So talk amongst yourselves. All right, you guys, so we got the lights installed. I'm not sure you can see them up there. There we go. There we go. Got the lights installed. Wee! Little of this, little of that, you know, keeping it simple, keeping it basic, you know. Just a little RGB lighting added to the master bedroom, to the ceiling. I still have plenty of lighting strip left. You know, like I said, I bought 2 100-foot boxes, and I still have plenty. If you look at the cable, I still have this left. I still got 2 rolls left. I still got 2 rolls. I think I only used 1 roll of light strip. And you can see, here's the connector here. That's the connector that connects up there. As you can see, when I get closer here, you can see there's another little connector right there if I wanted to add some more. But of course, I'm gonna get a cable hider strip and to hide the cables so that it looks nice and neat, so that it'll look uniform with that cable there. And I did clean up that cable strip right there. You know, I got it nailed, I got it screwed into the wall so this way it won't fall off, because that sticky tape stuff just doesn't work when it comes to the cable strip right there. You have to nail it or screw it into the wall. But yeah, so this is it. This is the Monster LED lighting strip here in the master bedroom. Little this, little that. I still have to pair it to Alexa, so I'm gonna do that when I get a chance. But with the way it's set up right now, I can just use the Monster app and change the RGB color scheme. I could change it to Halloween or peppermint or festive. You could change the speed, you could change the brightness, you could do all that kind of stuff just within the Monster app. But when I pair it to Alexa, then I'll be able to tell her, hey, turn on all the lights, hey, turn off the lights, set the lights to blue, set the lights to green, red, all that good stuff. So, you know, but yeah, that's it. So that's the Monster LED light strip. Let's take a look at it with the lights off. Let's take a look at it with the lights. Let's turn off the lights. So I'm gonna go over here to the switch. Okay, you know, little of this, little of that. Let me step back. Look at that. Woo-wee. Let me step back some. Let me get the TV in focus. Let me take a picture. There we go. Look at that. So yes, that's the Monster LED light strips at 100 feet. You can get it on sale right now for Black Friday. They're on sale for like $18. After tax, you're looking at about $20 for 1 box. And like I said, I got a whole nother box downstairs, and I still have all this cable length left over. So I may try to apply the rest of the strips maybe to the living room ceiling. You know, because my living room is massive. It's massive. But I got plenty of light strip, and when my girl come home from work, I hope she likes it. I hope she enjoys it. So when she come to bed, put on some Kanye West, or put on some slow jams, put on something, hey. But anyways, it's your boy TechGeekRLD. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's the holidays, it's Black Friday, and you know my slogan, they can learn today. All right, y'all.